What is up, awesome tubers? It's your boy David Awesome, and I'm back again today to be talking about 10 most bizarre planets you probably never heard of. And just for the record, I'm getting this information off listverse.com. And if you enjoy the topic of this video today, please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And of course, if you're already subscribed, thank you very much. Every day, NASA scans the galaxy in search for new planets, stars, and systems throughout the cosmos. We have spent many probes into space, from Voyager 1 to Juno, all with the task of first exploring our solar system and later investigating beyond it. Although we find tons of new exoplanets every year, many are just cold lumps of rock orbiting distant, unknown stars. Occasionally, however, a planet is found that is bizarre enough to make even the most seasoned astrophysicists gape in awe. We've rounded up 10 of them for you. So, also, it's my first time reading through it, so let's learn together, awesome tubers. So, at number 10, we have Ogle 2016 BLG 1195LB, the Ice Ball Planet. Now let's see what this has to say. Read more, there we go. So the Ice Ball Planet is an icy exoplanet. No way, I thought it was made out of fire. That can be found on a whopping 13,000 light years from our solar system. Its temperatures range from negative 220 degrees Celsius to negative 186 degrees Celsius, which is why it's sometimes called the Ice Ball Planet. You talk about cold. Now that's a cold planet. As cold as my ex-wife's heart. And at number 9 we have KELT-9b, otherwise known as the Hot One. It's the hottest exoplanet ever found, and it's disappearing. At 650 light years away from us, it's tidally locked with its star, meaning that one side is constantly facing the star and one is not. The gas giant is approximately 3 times the size of our Jupiter and burns at a temperature of 4,315 degrees Celsius. That's freaking hot. This is hotter than most stars, almost as hot as the surface of our sun, which burns at 5,505 degrees Celsius. A few million years away from now, KELT, otherwise known as the Hot One, will have burned off all its gases and will disappear, leaving nothing but its lonely star. At number 8, we have the steamy water world. It's a huge water world 3 times the size of Earth that can be found 42 light years away from our solar system. Earth's water is equal to 0.05% of its mass, and the water contributes 10% of its mass. GJ1214b is thought to have oceans that may have reached depths of as much as 1,600 kilometers. In contrast, the deepest part of our own ocean is the Mariana Trench, 11 kilometers deep. We've only explored about 5% of our own oceans, and we found countless astonishing creatures that we never expected to exist. Imagine what horrors lie within the deep waters of GJ1214b, otherwise known as the steamy water world. Number 7, we have PSR J17191438b, the Diamond Planet. A large carbon-based planet with a diameter roughly 5 times that of Earth. PSR J17191438b can be found about 4,000 light years away from our solar system. Due to immense pressure caused by the planet's gravitational pull, the carbon has been condensed, forming a gigantic diamond. Let's go there, awesome tubers. We could really become some rich people. I'm needing a wedding ring, and I'm not wanting to spend the money, so, we can travel through space. I could chip a little piece of diamond off. That'd be great. Anyways, in this case, the companion star was probably a white dwarf, which is what our sun will become when it dies. A white dwarf is a remnant that has no more nuclear fuel. Here, the millisecond pulsar probably ate the material from its companion white dwarf. With only 0.1% of its mass left, the white dwarf then formed an exotic, crystalline companion to the pulsar, the Diamond Planet. And awesome tubers, at number 6 we have the real life Tatooine, and I'm a huge Star Wars fan, so this is cool. The scientific name for this planet is Kelper 16b, the real life Tatooine. I have the Rebel Alliance symbol tattooed on my left shoulder. That's how big of a fan I am. And let's see here. Kelper 16b is essentially the real-life equivalent of the Star Wars planet Tatooine. This is because Kelper 16b is one of the only exoplanets ever found that orbits a binary star system. It has a mass of about 105 Earths, that's crazy, and is 8.5 times the radius of our world. This exoplanet has an atmosphere comprised of hydrogen, methane, and small amounts of helium. Although it may look like Tatooine, Kelper 16b cannot support life, so don't expect to find any droids there, or Jawas, or bars, cantinas in other words, or the huts. At number 5 we have Kelper 10b, the Scorched World. That does not look like a very inviting planet, but it's very pretty though. It is the smallest exoplanet. I'm sitting here with Andy Cool and Crazy Ginger.
Hello,
She's
guys.
feeling under the weather.
Oh, I'm sick, dudes.
But
I'm not in on this one very
we
much.
got her to the doctor, and anyways, we're at number 5 here. It's called the Scorched World. Pretty interesting looking planet. Say it's the smallest exoplanet discovered to date, and we believe that the surface is covered by oceans of lava. So you don't want to go swimming there. Yeah, that would suck. About 560 light years away from Earth, Kelper 10b was the first rocky planet found outside our solar system, making mankind's first step toward a future of space exploration. The surface reaches temperatures as high as 1400 degrees Celsius. As a result, rocks on the surface melt, pooling in large areas, causing huge lava oceans. That's crazy. Number 4 is the Dark Planet. I guess the scientific name is TRES-2b, TRES-2b. It's the darkest exoplanet ever found, reflecting less than 1% of the sunlight that hits it. This makes it darker than coal or black acrylic paint. Damn. It's actually a miracle that we found the planet because the light was so scarce. I like the way it looks though. Check that out, Andrew.
Oh,
Dark
wow.
planet. Yeah, I guess like 1% sunlight. Like,
Oh, man.
there's no telling what lives on that. If anything, you wouldn't want to know.
Yeah, I don't think so.
This raises an important question: how many exoplanets have we missed due to the lack of light?
It would be, dude, like the people off of the krill off of the Orville.
True. The Orville's a good show, by the way. Awesome tubers. You should go check it
Yeah,
out.
it's a good one.
Made by the same dude that made Family Guy. Yep. It says here the atmosphere contains vaporized sodium, potassium, and titanium oxide, all of which absorb light.
By the way, say thank you to the website that you're using to help you with
Yeah,
this.
I already mentioned it at the beginning.
Okay.
Yeah, I mentioned that I'm getting this information off listverse.com. So all information comes off of this website here. Number 3 is HD189733b. It's a scientific name, but the nickname is the planet that rains glass.
What?
Whoa. Perhaps one of the most interesting exoplanets on this
Oh,
list,
that's a pretty blue.
which is 63 light years away, rains glass sideways. Yes, you heard that right. The hellish planet's winds can reach speeds of up to 8,700 kilometers per hour. Damn. Causing any strange precipitation to fall sideways.
Glass, eh?
A silica concentrated atmosphere causes the planet's clouds to rain molten glass, which hardens as it falls. That's crazy. Number 2, we have the planet with weird water.
55
55,
Cancer IE.
yeah. 55 Cancer IE is tidally locked with its sun and has water on its surface that is both liquid and a gas.
Do you know what it means? Tidally locked.
What does that mean?
Tidally locked
Is it
means
this close up?
No, it doesn't rotate.
Oh, it doesn't rotate?
No, it does not have a rotation anymore.
Ah,
it means
so it does
is-
not
It
rotate.
is permanently stuck with one side of the planet facing the sun at all times and one side not facing the sun at all ever again.
That's good to know. So that means tidally locked means it does not rotate.
Yep.
The exoplanet orbits 25 times closer to its star than Mercury does to our star. And it's tidally locked with a star. One side constantly faces the sun and the other does not. As a result, the water facing the star is in supercritical state, causing it to be both liquid and a gas at the same time. And at number 1, we have Korat 7b, the planet that snows rocks. This is a bizarre exoplanet because it snows rocks. Like many other exoplanets, it's tidally locked with its star. The side facing the sun reaches temperatures as high as 2,200 degrees Celsius, while the other side drops to as low as negative 210 degrees Celsius.
Wow,
What do you say? You want to go on our honeymoon there?
I don't really think so. I really don't.
Lava on the star side is heated so much that it evaporates, much like water does on our planet. This creates large stone clouds that later condense on the relatively cooler side of the planet.
And snows.
And it rains large rocks.
That's crazy.
If we could survive the extreme temperatures of this planet, it would be a sight to see.
That would be pretty cool to see.
That would be.
The contaminant has reached.
And I hope you enjoyed this video, Awesome Tubers. If you thought it was an interesting topic, let me know. Let me know in the comment what your favorite planet was out of the 10 that we announced on here. And looks like Andy Cool wants to say something.
Remember, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell, and you get great, awesome, top 10 quality videos like these. So, you know,
Also, episode 3 of...
episode 3 of The World of Marvel, my whole